This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a missing Photos Gallery app on your Android phone. So you can see I have a Photos app right here that I can easily access at any point in time. Now to do this, just simply go over to the Google Play Store. And then we just want to search for a gallery. So go to search and type in gallery right here. And then we can open this up. And there's a bunch of different free ones. Some of them have ads, so anything with a low rating, maybe under like 4.5, you probably want to avoid that and just read the description. I usually just get the Google one because I know there's no ads on here. And then install this one on your phone. I got it on my Vivo phone and my Motorola phone. And then you can find it on here. Just go to search for apps and type in gallery. And it should show up. Here's my previous one, and then here's Google Photos. Just hold down on it. And you can drag it to the home screen just like this. And I already have it on here. So very easy to go ahead and get. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.